Amazing Confidence Hacks, a course by Francisco Moriones. Boost your confidence to get what you want from others. What's in this course for me? Well, first let me introduce myself. I am Francisco Moriones, and I am an entrepreneur from Spain with over 15 years of experience in businesses on internet. I've made live presentations in front of thousands of viewers. I've faced very tense businesses, negotiations, and discussions many times. I've been interviewed in live TV programs many times about different subjects and expertise areas. And let me make a confession. Every time I felt almost paralyzed before the event. I'm very introverted and shy person. So how can I achieve to dominate my nerves and get what I want from others? Well, you can achieve everything with confidence and presence. In this course, I will reveal you the little-known confident hacks I personally use to tame stress, fear, and your own nerves. If you're afraid to confront to a problematic person or a difficult situation, if you feel talking to strangers is very stressful for you, if you feel insecure whenever you talk in a recording or video, then this video course is for you. Then enroll in this course now.